everybody on YouTube? It's your girl, Kicks for Fresh, and I am back at it again with another video. Now, before I even get into this video, because by the title of this video, you know exactly what I'm about to do, I just want to give a shout out again to everybody who's been supporting your girl. Right now, I have about 77 followers. I just started last month, actually, so I am so happy with the way that my channel is growing. So if you want to see more sneaker content, if you really want to just see my awesome personality, please make sure to subscribe below. Comment also. When you're watching my videos, I want to interact with you all. I respond to my comments, so go ahead and comment below if you've copped these shoes, if you missed out on the restock, you know, if you just really didn't have the bread. I've definitely been there before. And then also make sure to like this video because it's very important to me and a lot of other fellow shoe tubers out there who want to, you know, make sure that their content gets seen. So I won't take up too much of you all's time, but definitely just want to spend this time opening this box. Story time. So basically, I have not bought Adidas in a very, very long time. Back in college, I used to love shell toes. I used to love the Sam Smith. And it really just kind of got boring and plain. Kind of how I think some people may feel about the Air Force Ones. Like, they used to be hot. And they still are. Don't get me wrong. The all whites, the all blacks, you know, some of the collabs are fire. But what I'm trying to say is that I think people just got kind of bored with, you know, they had all the colorways. There's white in this, all these different colors. And it just still, you know, it was a staple shoe. But it wasn't something that you're like, I have to go out and get them. Unless you're like all into Air Force Ones and you're still rocking them. Shout out to the people who are still rocking them. I don't even own a pair anymore. That's one pair that I think I need to probably pick up pretty soon when they go back in stock. But anyway, so I am very late on the Yeezy train, I would say. Definitely don't see myself as one of those hype beasts. But I definitely was keeping my eye on the shoes. When they first came out, I was like, you know, this is a dope shoe, but it seemed very unattainable. Like, it was like I couldn't get my hands on this shoe. I was not about to go doing all this, standing in the line. And back in the day, I barely had a phone, so apps just really wasn't where they was at the moment. And so I just kind of patiently waited till the right moment. And so I became very happy because I was missing out on all the different Yeezys, especially like the 350s. Like, I think that's the best silhouette in my opinion, what I think I would rock. I would not rock any of the other shoes. More power to Adidas and Kanye for their collab, but I'm just not here for it. And so basically what happened is I went on the Adidas app probably a week and a half ago when they dropped on the 21st. And I just put it in my little reservation, raffle, whatever you call it. And like the app like froze or something. I don't know what happened. So I was like, you know what? I don't have a pair. I don't want to really be like up in arms about not getting a pair. So I'll just take my L and like move on. It's Christmas time. I was going to let the Jordan 11 Bread be my last shoe for 2019. So about 4 hours later, when I was going to the mall to get the Jordan 4 Winterize, I have a card up there. Make sure you check out that video on my thoughts on the Winterize joints. I ended up getting like a notification and an email to my phone saying that I won. And I'm like, won what? First of all, I totally forgot. Like, it was 4 hours later when I got a notification about getting these zebras. So I was super excited. Like, I didn't even want the Jordan 4s anymore. But check out the video so you know what my thoughts are on them and if I ended up copping them or not. But anyway, so I'm just going to get into this video. Enough of the story time. I just always want to give y'all a story because shoes tell stories. And so, you know, you want to kind of talk about like what you had to do to get the shoe, but you also, you know, kind of want to talk a little bit about, you know, later on in life, like, man, I remember when I got this shoe and I did this review and blah, blah, blah. So anyway, so I have the box here straight from Adidas. They have these new boxes where like you literally just like rip it open. So I'm going to try. I'm not very strong. Oh, I guess you just do the sides. I don't know how I feel about that because I feel like thieves can just like run up and just, I don't know. I'm also trying not to break a nail because nails don't come easy around here. But anyway, so yeah, you just like rip open the box. So that's cool. 350, you got the boost here. I went ahead and got a size 9. It's really weird because I comfortably wear a 9 in men's, but then I comfortably wear a 10 in women's. And I just think that's odd because for the simple fact that like usually wear like a size and a half up, but for some reason I just like my shoes looser. I primarily wear man's shoes anyway, just because women, they don't really have a lot of selection, and then their shoes be like weird. But anyway, so I got a 9. You can see the color is white, sea black, red, blanc. Oh, obviously blanc is white. Okay, that's fine. And this is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2. Like I said, this is my first time getting some Yeezys. I have not bought Adidas in forever, so I'm actually really, really excited. As you see, I haven't even opened my box. And then on the other side, you have the Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. And y'all have to forgive me, I have a cold today, but I really wanted to share this moment with you all. So you got the box, just open it up like such. I'm sure y'all already know if y'all own a pair. Comment below if you have a pair of Yeezys. Let me know which ones you have. Just let me know. Woo, I'm super excited. They look better in person. I'm gonna just tell you this right now. Like, they look so much better in person. These are nice. Like, they're just ooh-wee. Got the bottom, the outsole, very, very icy. Got the boost in there. I love the boost. I have, I'm trying to get my hands on some more shoes with boost in them because I'm a Nike girl. I love Nike, but I feel like Adidas, what they've been doing with this boost, comfort. Like, literally in terms of comfort, I'm going to have to go with boost. I'm just going to say that because I just love comfort. So anyway, so take it out. Got the Adidas Yeezy in there with the Adidas symbol. Amazing. Obviously trying to see what else you got going on in here. You have these laces, which I think are amazing. I just love how different this shoe is. You have the 3 stripes on here, the back. You have the pull tab, which is very sturdy, like, you know, because I gotta get my shoes on. But I love the hint of red, as y'all can see from my room, from the clothes that I primarily wear. I love red. I can never have enough red. I can never have enough of the bread colorway joints on any shoe. Doesn't matter. Adidas, Jordan, Puma, I don't care. Like, I'm here for it. The material is interesting for someone that I've obviously never seen the shoe in hand. The material is very interesting. It feels very, like, it gives, but it's sturdy. I love that. And then also, I just noticed this on the side. You have that cushion. That's what's up. Because sometimes my ankles, when I wear different shoes, especially when I wear the Nomads by Adidas, or NMD is what they are called for short, I always get that, like, it rubs on my ankle, and I don't really like that. Let me go ahead and take out the other shoe. So as you can see, I wonder if they're going to look big on my feet. I mean, they're a 9. That's what I wear in all my shoes, but you just never know. So just want to give y'all a look at these. Really, really awesome shoe. Very, very happy with my purchase. I don't sell my shoes, so I'm not going to be reselling them. I'm probably going to sit them on ice until I get some crepe or something like that to kind of ice them down so that they don't get nasty, because I think this bottom is about to be destroyed as soon as you start rocking them. And we're in wintertime here. I don't know if whoever's watching, literally, we're in wintertime, so I'm not about to rock these shoes until it's clean outside. But anyway, tell me what y'all think. Y'all got a pair? What pair do you have? I know a lot of you all have some. I watch all of y'all stuff, and I post down below in your comments and stuff because I just like interacting with everybody. These laces are interesting because I feel like they got a little bit of cream in them. I don't know if you can see that, but they got a little cream in them, which I like. Some people, they lace their shoes really loose. I'm gonna have to see what that looks like on my foot. But yeah, this is a very interesting shoe. So thanks for rocking with me. I am going to hit you all with an on foot of this shoe, or on feet, on foot, whatever you want to call it. But thanks again for coming to my channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I need you to do all 3 because you know why? It's free and you're not doing anything anyway. If you're sitting here watching this video, then that means you're probably laying on your bed, or you on break at work, or whatever the case may be, and you just chilling. So I just need you to do those 3 just for me. Please go ahead.